Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into using Voila with Jupyter Widgets, focusing on its principles, capabilities, and referencing the work of Maarten Breddels and Maarten Renou. This tutorial will give you a solid understanding and practical examples to get you started. Disclaimer: the landscape of Jupyter technologies evolves rapidly. While I'll emphasize the fundamental concepts, be sure to check the most up-to-date documentation for Voila and Jupyter Widgets for the most accurate information and potential changes. What is Voila? Voila is a tool that transforms Jupyter notebooks into standalone web applications. Think of it as a way to deploy your interactive data science and analysis work to a wider audience without requiring them to have a Jupyter environment installed. Key benefits of Voila ***. Accessibility ** makes your notebooks accessible as interactive web apps via a URL. Users don't need Jupyter, Python, or any code knowledge. Customizable ** you can tailor the appearance and behavior of the application by controlling which elements of the notebook are displayed and how they are rendered. Security * Voila executes notebooks in a sandboxed environment, enhancing security. It prevents arbitrary code execution by users interacting with the deployed application. However, always exercise caution when deploying applications that handle sensitive data. Integration with Jupyter Widgets * Voila shines when used with Jupyter Widgets. Widgets allow users to interact with the application, changing parameters, filtering data, and triggering computations dynamically. Reproducibility * since it starts from a notebook, you can ensure that the code and analysis that generated the application are fully reproducible. Based on Jupyter technologies * leverages the mature ecosystem of Jupyter notebooks and associated tools. The role of Maarten Breddels and Maarten Renou. Maarten Breddels and Maarten Renou are key contributors to the Jupyter ecosystem, especially in the area of Jupyter Widgets and interactive data visualization. They have significantly influenced the development of tools like Widgets and Voila. Their work has made it easier for data scientists and analysts to create interactive dashboards and applications using Python. While it might be difficult to directly pinpoint specific publications from them on Voila from 2019, their general contributions to Jupyter interactive technologies are fundamental to how Voila operates. Prerequisites: 1. Python * you'll need a Python installation, preferably 3.7 or higher. 2. Jupyter Notebook * install Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab. 3. Voila * install Voila using pip. 4. Widgets * Widgets is essential for creating interactive elements. If it's not already installed, install it with. You might need to restart your Jupyter Notebook server after installing Widgets. Basic workflow. 1. Create a Jupyter Notebook * write your Python code, visualizations, and interactive widgets within a Jupyter Notebook .ipimp file. 2. Design your interface * arrange cells in the notebook to create the desired layout for your Voila application. 3. Hide code. Optional hide code cells from the rendered Voila application to present a cleaner interface. 4. Run Voila * launch Voila from the command line to serve the notebook as a web application. Code example: a simple interactive plot. Let's create a basic example demonstrating how to use Voila with widgets to generate an interactive plot. Explanation * 1. Import libraries * we import Widgets, matplotlib.pyplot, and numpy. ipython.display is used in a compatible manner now using plt.show. 2. Plot _ wave function * this function takes amplitude and frequency as input and generates a sine wave plot using matplotlib. Critically, instead of display, fig, we use plt.show, to output the plot in a Voila compatible way. 3. Create widgets *widgets.float slider creates sliders for controlling the amplitude and frequency. The arguments define the initial value, minimum, maximum, step size, and description, label, for each slider. 4. Widgets.interactive * this is the key to making the plot interactive. Widgets.interactive takes the plot_sine_wave function as its first argument and then maps the widget values, amplitude_slider.value, frequency_slider.value, to the corresponding arguments of the function. Whenever the value of a slider changes, the plot_sine_wave function is automatically re-executed with the new values. Running the Voila application. 1. Save the notebook * save the code above as a Jupyter notebook, example interactive_plot.ipinb. 2. Run Voila from the command line * open a terminal or command prompt and navigate to the directory where you saved the notebook. Then, run the following command. This will start the Voila server and open the application in your web browser. You should see the sliders and the plot. As you adjust the sliders, the plot will update dynamically. Important Voila options. *port * specify the port number for the Voila server, example Voila port 8889 my_notebook.ipinb. * enable _env extensions * enable Jupyter notebook extensions in the Voila application. Use with caution, as extensions can introduce security risks. * *strip_sources * remove the code cells from the output. This is useful when you want to present only the interactive elements and visualizations. *template * select a template for the Voila application. Voila comes with default templates, but you can also create custom templates for more control over the look and feel. Hiding code cells. In many cases, you'll want to hide the code cells from the deployed Voila application to present a cleaner interface for end users. There are a couple of ways to achieve this. 1. Using cell metadata ***. In Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab, select the code cell you want to hide. Go to View -cell toolbar -edit metadata. In Jupyter Lab, you might need to enable the Property Inspector under the View menu. ** in the metadata editor, add the following JSON. ** this tells Voila to not display the cell in the rendered application. 2. Using the *strip_sources option ** as mentioned earlier, running Voila with the *strip_sources option will remove all code cells from the output. Example, hiding code with metadata. Let's modify the previous example to hide the code cells that define the widgets and the plotting function. 1. Add metadata to code cells ** add the metadata shown above, Voila, display, false, to the code cell containing the plot_sine_wave function and the code cell containing the widget definitions, amplitude_slider, frequency_slider. 2. Save the notebook ** save the changes to your interactive_plot.ipinb file. 3. Run Voila * run Voila with. Now, you should see only the sliders and the plot in the Voila application, without the underlying code. Custom templates. Voila allows you to create custom templates to control the layout, styling, and overall appearance of your applications. This gives you much finer-grained control than the default templates. Creating custom templates is a more advanced topic, but here's a brief overview. 1. Create a template directory * create a directory to hold your template files, example my_template. 2. Create template files * within the template directory, you'll typically need the following files. *index.html, the main HTML file that defines the structure of the application. This file will include placeholders where Voila will inject the notebook content, widgets, visualizations, etc. *static/ a directory to store static assets like CSS style sheets, JavaScript files, and images. 3. Reference the template * when running Voila. Use the -template option to specify the directory containing your custom template. Advanced concepts and considerations. Asynchronous operations * if you need to perform long-running tasks, example complex calculations, data loading, in your Voila application, consider using asynchronous programming techniques, example asyncio. This will prevent the application from becoming unresponsive while the tasks are running. Data loading and caching * be mindful of how you load and manage data in your Voila application. If you're working with large data sets, consider using techniques like caching or lazy loading to improve performance. Security * while Voila provides some security features, it's important to be aware of potential security risks, especially if you're deploying applications that handle sensitive data. Avoid allowing users to execute arbitrary code. Sanitize user input to prevent injection attacks. Scalability * for high-traffic applications, you might need to consider deploying Voila behind a web server, example Nginx, and using a process manager, example supervisor, to ensure that the application is always running. Troubleshooting. Widgets not displaying * make sure that Widgets is installed correctly and that the Jupyter Notebook extension is enabled. Restart your Jupyter Notebook server. Voila not starting * check for any error messages in the terminal where you're running Voila. Make sure that the notebook file exists and that you have the necessary permissions to access it. Application not updating * if the plot or other elements are not updating when you interact with the widgets, double check that you're using widgets.interactive correctly and that the widget values are being passed to the update function. Ensure you use plt.show, or a Voila compatible method to display your plots. In summary, Voila, in conjunction with Jupyter Widgets, is a powerful tool for creating interactive web applications from Jupyter Notebooks. By understanding the basic workflow, exploring different widget types, and customizing the appearance of your applications with templates, you can build compelling and accessible data science dashboards. Remember to be mindful of security and performance considerations, especially when deploying applications to a wider audience. The foundational work of individuals like Maarten Breddels and Maarten Renou in the Jupyter ecosystem has made these capabilities possible. By following the principles and examples outlined in this tutorial, you'll be well on your way to creating your own interactive Voila applications. Good luck!